Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As a part of organizing team, I Muhammad Awaz Zafar warmly welcome all the participants, resource person and director CEWRE in today's workshop on river modeling using HEC-RAS 1D and 2D feature. Thanks all of you to joining us. Before starting the workshop, let's quickly through to the today agenda. It consists of three parts. First part is consist of the introduction. We'll cover the introduction. Second and third part in hands-on exercise will cover the 1D and 2D model formulation and simulation respectively. Now we formally start the today workshop with the recitation or with the recitation of Holy Quran. I would invite Hafiz Wasim for the recitation. Hafiz Wasim.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله عما يشركون هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم I take refuge of Allah from the devil, the rejected one. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the merciful. He is Allah. There is no God but He. The sovereign, the holy, the author of safety, the giver of peace, the protector, the mighty, the mender, the majestic. Hallowed be Allah from all that they associate. He is Allah, the creator, the maker, the fashioner. His are the excellent names. His halot, whatsoever is in the heavens and the earth. He is the mighty and the wise. آمنت بالله صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah, Hafiz Wasim.